Alright guys, so we're going to be building a PC instead of the Height Y40, which is the S-tier aesthetic case.
It's S-tier.
And we're going to be using the i7-12700K and the RTX 3080. I'm going to let Matt read off the rest of the specs. He's got to do something.
V-True V240, which, did we grab one?
Yep,
we got
right
a
over
V-True.
here.
So V-True, of course, we're going to cool the i7 nice and well with the V-True V240 with 3 RGB fans. We also have Corsair RGB DDR5 memory, 32 gigabytes. We also have a Silicon Power UD90 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD. I don't know if you mentioned the motherboard, but the MSI Pro Z690A Wi-Fi DDR5. And the power supply is an EVGA GT 850 watt, 80 plus gold, fully modular. And altogether, this PC will be $1,900 over at PCBros.tech. Let's build her!
That's a hefty dollar right there, but that's for a good build.
I'm enjoying Twitch, and I'm watching my favorite PC builders. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Sister.
Came from YouTube, wanted to ask you guys a question. Well, we can answer any question you have.
I mean, hashtag shoot.
Shoot your shot. How you found out on PC parts?
That would have been sick if it was yours. I was hoping our viewers were righteous. But now I know they're just a bunch of thieves.
I getting my first PC, okay, and I wanted to know if I should go to Best Buy or get one worth building. Or we're building one. So obviously, I'm going to recommend PC Bros over Best Buy because our PC selling business, PC Bros, you can buy a PC from us. But we still can't beat the value for money for building yourself if you're willing to build yourself. So if you want to build yourself, obviously watch our videos and you can build your own PC. But if you don't want to go through that hassle and you want a warranty, we recommend PC Bros.
1-year warranty, parts and labor, easy to work with. Oh my god, I forgot. So yesterday when I was checking out, I went to put the large one in the cart. You know, I said I think our cost was like, I think I said it was like 80 or 90. So I was like, you know, they might be close to 100 or something like that. And I put them in the cart and it showed 105. And I was like, yeah, I was just like, wow, people are not gonna like that. But it was some type of like it was a weird glitch. Because once I went back, refreshed the page, did it again. I think our cost for the thickest one, I think, was like, I don't know, like 70 something. And the medium one was like 60 something. So it's not too bad. Big difference.
It's a big difference. You're going to be paying a pretty penny for these bad boys.
Yeah, but the smaller desk mats are going to be pretty competitive. I think they'll be around 40 something. Matt's going to go on a cable hunt. And don't think he won't find those cables.
Have no fear, Mr. Relentless is here. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
I was so scared, but now I am not.
Hello, V-Blat. Vlat, or is it supposed to be, was it like W-Blat?
W-Lat. Jackson, flip a coin. Heads, I get a 7700X. Tails, I get a 13600K.
Oh, dude, I like this. I had a coin on me the other day, and I don't know if I have one now.
I don't know if we have a coin in here.
Alright, how about this? Oh, wait, I have a battery.
No battery.
A battery is just like, okay, so if it lands on this side with no writing, that's tails, and then heads is the side that says lithium cell, do not throw away. Right, here we go. Pop. Heads.
You are an AMD boy.
Oh, you're still an AMD boy. Looking at a B550 that's black and silver. Ooh. Yeah, there's a lot of boards like that. I think, are you looking at Asus or ASRock, I'm guessing? I know they have a bunch that are like silver and black. What's up, Space Face? Sounds like a slur.
I've been negotiating on Marketplace. Guy wants $500 for a 6900 XT. Trying to get him down to $450. He won't move.
$450 would be awesome.
500's like new pricing. It's not really that good unless it's like new in box. You can get it on promo sometimes for $525 new. So yeah, I don't believe
it. It is a Gaming X Trio.
Yeah. That PC always crashes when trying 3D Mark or Bitcoin mining, thinking it's an overheating issue. That's funny.
Well, it sounds like it'd be graphics related.
Yeah, it could be a graphics issue. Try to get some sort of like monitoring software. You can do what's the name of the one we use? OCCT or whatever.
OCCT, yeah, because you can stress individual parts, and you can even do error tests. So like you can actually test parts for errors.
So yeah, I would try using that tool. You can use the free version, and then just see if you get any errors, you get any crashes. Oh yeah, just really confusing. I don't know if it's gonna reach all the way, but it's gonna glance over. Yeah, he is.
Random flex, but okay.
It's foot doctor. Yes, we are using the Height Y40.
Jonah's gonna have to edit.
Jonah is Footman confirmed. Yes, I gotta make sure that's included in the video.
I'm like, can't you just look at it and tell me
There's
that
no way
it's
they
fucked
can
up?
do like a tune-up or something on it.
A tune-up.
A tune-up.
Does it just need an oil change?
Yeah.
New gaskets?
Y40 is a good case. It's cheaper than the Y60. Has like a more traditional case format compared to the Y60, which is more of like a fish tank, as opposed to this is like a fish tank normal PC hybrid.
Slightly smaller too,
Slightly
if that
smaller.
matters to you.
But you came, what if you came in here one day and there's just a bunch of slugs on you, right?
I think I would rather that than a snail trail foot. I don't even know what foot juice is, but I don't. the little soldier. Boop. All right, she's good to go.
Are you saying I need some milk? That's true. There's milk in that. That's what I'm drinking.
Milk.
Well, it used to be able where you could do it and you could keep it in like your item inventory as like a gift that you could send to people, but I don't think you can do that anymore.
Yeah. I don't have a 4070 or a gaming PC. Thank you. That helps the other guy's question for sure. I think it's this foam.
It was
That's
like
custom.
for this. I think.
Custom foam. Have a 4070. That's what I have in my PC, and that has the 4070 Ti.
The tie.
I think our upgrades are going to last us a long time.
I think.
Had a bad experience with the AMD GPU, so either NVIDIA or Intel. And so many people have said that, and I just don't get what you all did wrong.
Like, what happened?
Ohio vibes. I feel like are you in Ohio? Oh, I didn't even see it. It must have gotten stuck behind the board. I don't know why I didn't plug it in. I must have forgotten. Absolutely, this says I need to hang out with Kid Drip. He has all the fun. Yeah, you guys can hang out together. You guys can go to Wendy's. Someone say, Kid Drip, you should make a story on how the California wildfires are affecting New York and other big cities. It's always California's fault, isn't it? And actually, I don't think it's even. I'm pretty sure it's Canada.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
Canada that's having the.
Which would make a lot more sense in how it's affecting New York, because it's
right,
Quebec,
yeah.
which is, literally right above New York. So for once, I don't know if you can blame California. That's why our air quality and the sun has been orange. Literally, it has that smoke. When are you guys gonna make a $10,000 setup video? I don't know. That seems more like once we get to once we become Linus 2.0 level, where he kind of went from the budget king to only doing really crazy expensive stuff. That'll be one.
That would be fun. Only the expensive.
Linus changed, honestly. Hashtag vertically mounted.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the vertically mount can make any card. We've done multiple. You remember the one we did last week where it was all red, but it had a reference card. It still looked stupid good. It's the only way to make a reference card look good is vertically mounted. But guys, it looks good, but does it actually work? Come on.
Ugh. Is it going? Oh, that did not.
I didn't like that.
I did not like that at all.
It's already,
That power supply is not it.
dude. How are it's a
We
literally
just
a-
got it RMA'd.
Yeah.
And wasn't the thing was we had to keep the cables and then send them the
Oh, I
power
didn't think about
supply.
that.
It would be kind of rare, but that was the one thing that said if you send the cables, they probably won't send the cables back.
You know, we're gonna get fancy. We'll use I have a power supply tester.
Let's see.
We'll see if we can.
That was quick.
I can't even tell because all the F's mean fail.
Oh, it just fail. Blame Jonah. All right, I'll blame Jonah. He's not even part of it. He doesn't even do PC Bro stuff. We can still blame him.
Every time we freaking RMA anything, I swear it's always something dumb like this. He goes by many aliases. Alright, let's see. I should have tested this thing before I came
Yeah,
with
we
manage.
just gave him manage. Let's see. I bet it's gonna work though. It was definitely the power supply.
It best. Watch it not be the power supply.
Watching that be the. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Thank God.
Nice.
Nice build.
One hit wonder. All right, guys, we're gonna send you off on a raid. This PC will be for sale at PC Bros for $1,900. Jonah will be editing a nice little toasty clips video. So if you want to see a shortened version of the stream with the build highlights, we talk about the parts and everything, go check out Toasty Clips on YouTube. Woo!